Hey everybody, here's the game plan for today. So, as usual, everyone is going to do their attendance today. You're going to click right here. Obviously, you can't click on this presidential link right here because the debate is over, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later in this video. If you need help finding your missing assignments, make sure you click here and get those turned in today. And you're going to click on the current unit we're in, American Revolution. And you're going to click on Wednesday, September 30th. And here's what you're going to do today. So first thing you're going to do, or first thing I need to say is that my only virtual class is that we will not be meeting today. I keep on making that mistake. I always tell you I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday, but Wednesdays we do not meet. But if you do need my help or if you want to discuss anything, you can contact me or join my Zoom during these hours. So 9:15 to 10:15 or 2 to 3. And many of you are going to notice that you're going to have zeros on your Edge Elastic because you never took the test yet, and I've given you a lot of time to do that. So a lot of you are probably going to be hitting me up and telling me that you can't sign into the Edge Elastic test and it's not working. And these are the times you're going to want to probably log in so I can help you do that. Otherwise, we can't change that zero until I see you in class. So make sure that you try to join the Zooms during those hours if you're going to need help with that. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the CNN 10 presidential highlights, debate highlights from last night. And after you watch that, you're going to answer questions 6 and 7, which are in the same discussion post you did yesterday or the day before. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go back into this discussion post and answer questions 6 and 7. But if you haven't done 1 through 5 yet, this would be a good time to do those as well. And I'll have a CNN 10 link from Tuesday posted so that you can answer the first 5 questions if you haven't done that. But make sure you answer questions 5 or 1 through 5 and 6 and 7. For question number 6, I want you to think of one word that you would use to describe the debate. So the one word I would probably use is ugly. That's not the usual debate. So it's kind of unfortunate that's the first debate that many of you have ever seen. I'm telling you that that's not what they usually look like. That was kind of difficult to follow and hard to watch because there was a lot of talking over and a lot of just a lot of unusual things happening that we'll discuss tomorrow or the days when I see you on Thursday and Friday. But for number 7, make sure you summarize what you learned about each candidate from the debate and make sure you write in complete sentences. So that means ratting, that means not just giving me 2-word responses. I want at least 3 good sentences explaining what you learned from what a debate is and why it's used, and maybe you learned something about each candidate by just watching the recap, or maybe you watched it live. So make sure you answer 6 and 7 well, please. In fact, why don't we do this? Since you watched this video, number 6, I used a word to describe the debate. I'm not going to say it again right now. Type that word I used to describe the debate for number 6. Type that in the messenger to me, and I'll give you extra credit, or I'll reward you a 0. So I'm not going to tell you what that word was again, so you might have to play the video back. What word did I use to describe the debate last night? Type that word into me on the messenger, and I'll do that usual deal I've been doing. Okay, then after you do that, you got 2 more things you're going to do. You're going to do a CAMI, and you're going to read about the slave trade, which we've kind of been getting into this week. Gold Day Group, we didn't really get much of a chance to talk about it at all. Blue Day Group, I think you guys have a little bit of knowledge about this. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this paragraph or a couple paragraphs right here, and you're going to answer questions 6 through 7 by using a text box. I'm sorry, you have to answer 8 and 9 as well. And then you're also going to summarize on number 9. You're going to summarize in the reading, this reading up here, you're going to summarize it in your own words. And I'd also like that to be 3 sentences. So make sure you do that and then submit it in the assignments tab when you're done. And the last thing you're going to do is this cool 3D virtual tour of the slave ship. If you hit play on this video, it will take you inside the ship. It's a really interesting perspective. It's 3D. It's pretty it's pretty unique. So make sure you guys check this video out. There's no questions with this 3D video. Just watch it and kind of get entertained.